They do all the hard work picking out the videos, making critiques and suffer through editing. I just swoop in and steal all the glory. Reacting to reactors reacted.
Growing up in St. Louis, Missouri, I had tickets. I bought tickets with the little money that I had that I really didn't have. I have tickets to go and see Culture Club playing the Fox Theater in St. Louis, Missouri. I think it was 84. Culture Club. Nobody else in my neighborhood. I had bought 2 tickets. I didn't know who the second person was going to be, honestly, because nobody in my neighborhood even knew who Culture Club was. And people at my school did. But my mother would not allow me to go. So I still have those tickets somewhere. She wouldn't let me go because it was nighttime, what she said. And so I still have those tickets somewhere. But what we're going to do is we're going to react to a Culture Club song that I didn't schedule for you all on a Sunday because I'm not sure how many modern day Culture Club fans there are. But we have a first time. Do I still have y'all watching what I'm seeing? Yep. So let's go right there. All right. Now, the channel is Satori My G. I recall not liking this channel. That's what I recall. If I'm mistaken, please forgive me. But it was only one video I've ever reacted to. Was that Sowing the Seeds of Love he reacted to? And it was all, he missed every, in my opinion, of course. So that was only one time. So I want to see what he does, especially with Culture Club. Culture Club was weird back then. Not weird. It was like R&B, but they were part of the video age too. So when they put out the video and this androgynous kind of thing was not, it was starting to get big then. But before then, it was not, I mean, David Bowie did stuff, you know, one-offs. But this is like mainstream. So I'm wondering what he's going to think of Culture Club visually. He's going to have to love the song because Boy George's voice is like a pure, like a soul voice. So enough delays, enough waffling, as one channel that I watch says. Let's get to it. Okay, Satori My G, 25,000 subscribers, 3,000 views on this video. Let's go.
Working on a way to make it out of Texas every night.
And his video is only 4 minutes and 58 seconds, so he got in and got out on this one.
What up, YouTube? So we got Boy George and the Culture Club.
Score this one, please. Have your scores ready at the end.
Time. Let's get straight into it. The beat, I like the beat. The beat code.
But you must overcome your fears. Ooh, in time, could have been so much more. The time is precious, I know. In time, could have been so much more. The time is nothing to show. Because time won't give me time. And time makes it
What is he saying? What is his face saying there? What is it saying? The smile. Hold on, boy.
And me, we know we got nothing but time. And time won't give me time. Won't give me time.
I gotta let my dog out. I got this one wrapped up already. I'll come back to 255.
Time cake.
So much more. The time has nothing to show. Because time won't give me time. And time makes lovers.
Conformiso 250 something. Let me hear it because I want to be fair with my score. Was it that far back? 252? Thank you. Sorry. Okay. Those strings.
Time cake.
So much more. The time has nothing to show. Because time won't give me time. And time makes lovers feel like they got something real. But you and me, we know they got nothing but time. And you know time won't give me time. And time makes lovers feel like they got something real. But you and me, we know they got nothing but time.
Creepy ass smile. Creepy ass smile. Whoever made that production, whoever made that beat, fire. That beat was bopping for sure. Beat was bopping. Vocals were straight, wasn't too crazy. You know what I'm saying? Wasn't too crazy. But I like the beat. I like the sound of the song. And a nice little saxophone came in at the end, you know, smooth little track. So, you know, that's my first time hearing this group. Like the video, give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe if you're new. It's your boy
I will give them a
Tutorial
thumbs
MT.
up
Follow me on Instagram.
for participating.
I need 1 follower on Twitter.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Let's drop out of that. All right, so we're going to score this.
So you wanna know how to type the 3 cube symbol in the top right? Hold down the Alt key and type 0179. When you release the Alt key, the cube symbol should appear right in front of your eyes, and that is how you type the cube symbol.